Some years ago, I was getting a little bit proud, a little puffed up about my speaking business. My wife was taking me to the airport one day, and I was in the passenger seat. She was driving, and as we would go by various hotels, I would tell her, yeah, I've spoken in that hotel. And she's just driving, her eyes right on the road, didn't say anything. And we'd come to another hotel, and I'd say, I've spoken in that one too. And we would drive on, and the third time, when I mentioned, oh yeah, I spoke in that hotel years ago, she'd had enough. And finally, without even turning her head toward me, eyes on the highway, she said, well, you spoke in that hamburger place we just had lunch at. Ooh. I like to say that Sherry and I are not perfect, but we're perfect for each other. She saw the egotism in all of that. She saw the pride that was too much in all of that. I would say from this that it's important in our communication, and it's important in being able to teach that we have a certain level of confidence, but it's not imperative. In fact, it's not good when the confidence spills over into egotism, because there we go from connecting with good communication to disconnecting if we're not careful as a result of ego communication. So let's keep that in mind.